Want to reset the ESPN Fantasy password? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that. Launch open the ESPN Fantasy app or open up any web browser and head over to fantasy.espn.com. Now tap on the login option. Here you want to enter your email first. Now tap continue. Now here it says log in with your password. If you do not have a password and you want to reset that, you want to tap on the option having trouble logging in. Select that. Now an email will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and open that. Now copy this one-time passcode. Then enter it here. Now tap on the continue option. Now you have the option of change password. Select that. Go ahead and enter a new password. Make sure that it's a strong one. Now tap on save and continue. Once that is done, you will be successfully logged into your account and your password will also be reset. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.